Let's unbox the Basita Brushless Lithium Battery Screwdriver. Classic red-black rugged tool case, textured and durable, using professionalism. Inside the case, even molded inner tray protects the tool from damage during transit. Comes standard with two 20Ah batteries and a fast charger. The body is compactly designed, lightweight, and portable. With a 147mm body length, it's perfect for tight space operations. Infinitely variable speed switch enables single-finger speed control, effortlessly adjusting fast, slow. Quick forward, reverse switching enhances work efficiency. Real-time battery level indication is provided. Equipped with LED beads, providing illumination for dark environments. Battery built-in smart controller, 13-layer safety, full battery monitoring, stable output. Handle with soft laser texture TPU, comfortable grip, wear-resistant and anti-slip. Ergonomic design, palm-conforming, anti-slip, and shock absorption, comfortable grip, boosts efficiency. Quick install bit holder, quick to install bits, instant fit. Adopts high-power brushless motor, 150 Nm high torque. Delivers powerful performance, 3,500 RPM maximizes work efficiency. Suitable for automotive repair, hardware, equipment, electric power. Sheet metal, outdoor construction, truss installation, maintenance. Compact, powerful, practical, a great helper for your work.